Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12i and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, open calendar application. In it, we must tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 29th of April, and there this plus icon. First step, we can add title of our event, location of it, and there we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, or by the switch we can set it will be all day events, repeat of it, maybe never, maybe every day, everywhere, year, what you need and prefer. There we can set a reminder of our event, maybe one day before at 9 o'clock. We can add more than one reminder. We can set it will be important and we see it in our calendar. We can add this event to maybe our friends or group on Gmail accounts. Attachment to there and description, what you need and prefer. And after we custom all we need, we press this icon to confirm it, and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!